alpha, the omega, everything in between. Oh, ride with Minaj, mashallah. Check in with me, then do your job.
Gonna do the normal, you guys know, and that's taking some concealer and putting it on my lids, or you can use an eyeshadow base. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this Sephora brightening powder. I'm starting out with the Modern Matte BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take like this royal blue color or whatever type of blue color, and I'm just going to apply that with a fluffy blending brush. Going to keep building that color up. You guys don't know like literally how much I miss filming. Alright, so now I'm gonna pick up the Morphe 9C palette. It's a mini palette that I actually picked up at Ulta, and I'm gonna take this color right here called Stone Fox, and I'm going to apply that more directly into the crease. And to apply it into the crease, I'm actually going to use this Morphe blending brush. This is a brush I use in a lot of my videos, but it doesn't have a name, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go back into the Modern Matte palette, but I'm gonna pick up the lighter blue that's next to it, so this blue right here, and I'm going to apply that like right up here just so that the blue peeks out a little bit more. Alright, so staying in the same Morphe 9C palette, I'm going to take the color Rich Girl, which is like this deep purple color down here, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner as well as the inner corner because I'm going to do a halo eye. Alright, so I'm just going to take some LA Girl Pro Concealer. You guys know my go-to concealer, and this is in the color Cool Tan, and I'm just going to use this to cut the crease to make the halo eye, of course. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics, the numbers of, I think this is the 102 brush. I think there's a 2, yeah, so this is the 102 brush. And I'm just going to take a little bit of translucent powder to kind of just set where I applied that concealer before I place the eyeshadow color. Alright, so after I cut my crease to make the halo eye, I'm going to go back into the same palette and I'm going to pick up the color Purple Rain, which is this color up here. And I'm going to apply that all over where I applied that concealer. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. It's a small crease brush, and I'm going to use the color Chocolate Diamond. It's a dark brown color, and I'm just going to use that to apply to like the edges of, what is this? The edges of the cut of the halo eye. Whatever. You guys see what I'm doing. And I'm using this to diffuse the harsh line between that color that I applied and the halo. I'm going to apply the color directly next to it, which is called Rose Quartz, and it's like a pretty rose gold. And I'm just gonna place that kind of like in the center and an upward motion, just to give my eyelid like a little bit of a beam, you know. Next thing we're gonna do is apply a wing, and I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner, and this is in the color Jet Black. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Perversion Bigger, Blacker, Badder Mascara, and I'm going to apply a few coats of mascara to my real lashes, and then I'm gonna go and apply some falsies. Okay, so moving on to the face, I'm going to prime with my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. Alright, so for foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the color 335 or Classic Tan Bronze. I'm using, of course, the same concealer. I really got to try some new concealers, but like I'm really big on like if it's not broke, I was about to say if it's not fixed. If it's not broken, don't fix it. But I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, as always. And you guys know, I say it in every video, I have a detailed how to highlight and contour video that I will link for you guys, either as a card or in the description box. And I've never used this before, but I just wanted to try a little bit. This is the All May Clear the All May Clear Complexion Concealer, and this is in the color 300 or medium. This looks really light, but I'm just gonna do a couple dots underneath my eye. I'm kind of scared because I don't know, I'm just scared, but I'm only putting it under my eye because it's dark out anyway, so I could beam a little, you know, I could beam a little. And I'm gonna set the face with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going in with a new product. This is the City Color Contour Palette, and of course the white one cracked, the highlighter cracked. But there's a contour powder, a bronzer powder, and this was a highlight powder. I never would have used it anyway because that would be like extremely too light for me. But I'm going to mix the contour and the bronzer together to contour the face. I'm just going to pinch the brush and contour the nose. And of course we have to set the rest of the face, so I'm going to take some more translucent powder. I'm going to apply it right underneath my contour, and this is just to help cut my contour as well as setting that other part of my face. And I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and wipe away any excess setting powder that I have on my face. And now for blush, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush, and it looks like this. It comes with this little brush. I don't know why I won't throw it away because I'm never going to use it, but I'm going to use the Real Techniques blush brush and just apply some blush to my cheeks. Going back to the eyes, I'm going to work on the lower lash line. So I'm going to pretty much just use the same colors that I used on top. So I'm about to go in with this dark blue color right here. Right in the center, I'm going to place the color Purple Rain. Now I'm just gonna spray my face, and this is the Mario Badescu face spray. This is the rose water spray. Yeah. Should I say? Shall I say? Is it should I say or shall whatever? You guys get the point. And I'm just gonna take a brush and gently pat this. I'm gonna do something a little different today. I'm gonna take the Aurora palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna actually mix two colors. I'm gonna mix, is it Lyra, and Spectra. Oh yes, you guys see like the nice hint of purple? It just goes, I think, so well. And for lip liner, I'm going to go in with this NYX lip liner in the color Espresso. And I'm just gonna apply a little lip liner to the outer corners of the lips, as well as where the cupid's bow is, and the center as well. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild lipstick. This is the color Cashmere, and it's just like a nice, it's like nice purplish kind of looking color.